all these birds here. Look at them all. Pigeons, geese, everything's here. All because we're feeding them with a cheap bag of seeds from the local. Hello, Helena. Cheap bag of seeds from my local B&M. Do you know what I mean? And look at satisfaction you can get. Look. Let's have a little walk round here. As you can see. Look, they're coming from miles for a bit of food. Pigeons, they're all here. Sound of nature. Amazing. There's all sorts here. Pigeons, everything. Look at it, beautiful. All this satisfaction you can get from a bag of bird seeds from my local B&M. And look what satisfaction you can get. As long as they don't shit on my clothes, I'm happy. Look at them all. We've got pigeons, we've got geese, we've got swans. It's like feeding the 5,000, this. All over the gaff, man. Brilliant, though. So much satisfaction with a cheap bag of bird seeds from B&M. Amazing. Joyous. I bid you good day.